Welcome to the channel. So today's video is going to be a hair video. I'll be slicking my natural hair using hair gel, no heat whatsoever, just hair gel, hairbrush. Everything I use in this video I'll list down in the description bar below. If you have any questions, just leave them for me in the comments and I'll definitely respond to them. So this is going to be a very detailed video, so just sit back, relax and enjoy.
Hold up, is this a meet cute? Oh my god, like Rachel McAdams in the notebook, cause I keep on staring and the whole world stops. Theme song is playing, just a Friday night, but it feels like the start of the rest of my life. The lights and cue the slow motion, camera close up on your face. It's almost a little too perfect. Heartbeat starts picking at base. Then cut to me, and I see our whole life together. What? Don't blame me, just a dream. Oh, this is absolutely a meet cute. Oh my god, like Rachel.
Hope you're enjoying the video so far. Leave your thoughts down in the comment section. So I'm just done with back side of the hair. Now it's time for me to focus on the front to create that side part, because I'm going for a side part look. So this is me just cutting the line and seeing how it's going to turn out. I hope you're enjoying the video and learning as well. I have very similar videos like this on my channel. I'll link them up above and in the cards below. Like, share. If you're new to the channel as well, please hit the subscribe button. Hope you're watching and learning, because this is a quick, simple to do natural hairdo, natural hairstyle. All you need is your hair gel, your hairbrush. Slick your hair down into a bun. You could go for a center part, side part, and just pack it all together.
Summer's end, by the campfire, all my friends in our empire, yeah. Wasted time never feels wasted when I'm wasted. Lately I've been questioning what I'm doing here. I'm burdened by the weight of who we were, and it hurts to leave. Please don't make me feel guilty. I know I'm guilty, please. I'm so sick of feeling down, stuck in this city. We had the time of our lives, but now that's history. And I hope you miss me. I can't keep coming out, getting fucked up on whatever. You know I gotta grow up. I just wanna stay young forever. I got big dreams inside my head. My diamonds made under pressure, and I'm here wondering if I'll ever get my shit together. Cause I'm not ready to be better. All I want is to be better. I'm not ready to be.
Finally done slicking the hair down, so the next step is to tie your hair down for a few minutes using a head scarf.
I was made for something different. Growing pains, I'm changing, and it's strange, I'm not complaining. But do I always have to learn the hard way? I can't keep coming out, getting fucked up on whatever. You know I gotta grow up. I just wanna stay young forever. I got big dreams inside my head. My diamonds made under pressure, and I'm here wondering if I'll ever get my shit together. Cause I'm not ready to be better. All I want is to be better. I'm not ready to be better. I'm just wondering if I'll ever get my.
Time for the big reveal. Now this is the final look. This is the result. This is what the hair looks like.
I'm the king, plan stuff and never do it. It's a thing, bad luck and no improvement. And every year I'll back up these resolutions, but there's never movement. Still I wanna be a better human. It's overwhelming when you look back at the growth. They remember finish lines, you remember slopes, and how you had to pedal with a couple broken spokes.
So if you learned something from this video, please leave it down in the comment section. If you'll be trying out this hairdo, also let me know, because it's very quick, simple, easy to do. You can rock this out anywhere, school, work, or just going out. And if you're also interested in attaching something to the puff of your hair, you can also add some extensions or a ponytail. I have videos on that. Thank you so much for watching. Like, share, see you in my next video. Bye.
And I hope you